What's up guys, in this video we're going to cover 15 things that you can learn from this 9-figure Shopify store and apply to your Shopify store to increase the revenue and profit of your Shopify store. We're going to cover their product pages, their Facebook ads and their emails so you can get all these things and apply to your store, your business, and increase the revenue and the profit that you generate from your business. This brand is called the Ridge Wallets and they're selling wallets, rings and generally accessories and stuff, and they're a super successful brand. And the first thing that we want to cover here is that they're using these color swatches, which is a super important thing. It helps your customers to choose the right variant much easier, and it just looks way more visually appealing than if you have had like rectangles. You can just click on each variant and it will switch to it, and that way you can just choose the right variant, and this will help you a lot with increasing your conversion rate. The next thing I wanted to cover here is this thing. It's called add-ons, and this thing will significantly help you with increasing your AOV, and if you increase your AOV you're going to increase your profit margin. So you can see you can just like click on this thing like that, and it will automatically add this coin tray to your cart. And you can see how they are framing this add-on. They didn't just say like add-ons, they just said popular add-ons, so that way they're kind of incorporating the social proof into this, meaning that other people are adding this thing and that is a good chance that you might like it as well. So they're just not stating add this to the cart, they're saying other people are adding this thing, you can add it as well, and you will probably benefit from it as well. So this is also very important thing, and you can see how simple it is. Just a single click and you add it to the cart. Then the next thing that we have here, you can see just below that one and above the add to cart button, they have these video testimonials, right? You can just click on it and it will open.
So I finally found the most perfect wallet out there. This is the 24 karat gold Ridge wallet, and it's hands down the...
All right, so here it is, the Ridge wallet. Slim form factor, fits all your cards and your cash.
The Ridge wallet for real is my type of wallet, and together we're building gear not just for today, but for life.
Now you can see how they have added these videos that are kind of edited. They have probably tested like raw material against these edited videos, and probably these edited videos have performed better. I would suggest you to try both the raw materials that you get from your customers and as well like this edited, and just see what works better. But anyway, this is a super good thing because it can visually show your customers when they buy your product how it will look like, how it will feel like, what they will get, so they can just kind of imagine themselves using your product with this video. So this is also very important thing and helps with the conversion rate. So then the next thing we have here, you have the add to cart button, and just below the add to cart button you can see they have this trust seals, which also helps a lot with increasing the conversion rate because it decreases the customer friction. You have this lifetime guarantee. When you buy a product and you know that you have a lifetime guarantee, you don't have to worry about it like breaking and whatever. So for that reason, this decreases the friction a lot. Then you have this free shipping and returns, meaning that you won't pay for the shipping, you won't pay for the returns. So that's already less friction for you to buy from them, and this really helps a lot again with increasing the conversion rate. You can click on see it in action. Then you get prompted the YouTube video that you can see again how it works and all these things. So super important thing that helps with increasing the conversion rate. Then when we add this product to the cart, let's see how the cart look like. You can see on the top we have what I have added to the cart, that royal black wallet. Then just below there's like upgrade and save. In the previous example I have had a wallet that was more expensive, and that's what's called upselling. You try to sell them a more expensive version of your product that's better, that's why it's more expensive. In this example we have this one, it's a rich key case, and you can just click upgrade and save, and that's it. It just added to the cart and you just buy it, right? So below that you can see how they have all these cross sells. Very simple. You have image of it, you have the price of it, you have the button add to cart, you just click on it. And what I really like about their cart drawer is that you can see how clean it looks like. They have managed to put all these different things in their cart drawer, but it still looks super clean, and it's really easy to differentiate what's actually in the cart versus what you can add, right? So you know that you have already added these things to the cart and you can just add something additional. And how clean their checkout button is. It's always the best practice to have it on the bottom of the cart drawer so your customers know when they're done. You could just like get to the bottom and click on the checkout, and they proceed to the checkout, which is the next step of their purchasing flow. So very clean add to cart with these upsells that helps a lot with increasing the AOV and the profit margin. So you have to have these things, right? So that's it regarding their product page, right? When you scroll, you have these product suggestions and stuff. Then you have benefits. Again, they're communicating all their trust seals like lifetime durability and all these things. Then you have reviews, and that's it. Like super clean and super simple product page. That's all that you need. You don't need too many things. You just need what's essential, and you can see how they have concentrated their most important things above default, which are the things that we have covered. So that's the thing regarding their Shopify store. Let's get straight to their Facebook ads. So here we are at their Facebook ads library, and I have pinpointed 3 different ads that we can take a look and you can learn from them. The first one is this one. You can see they have the Joe Rogan here, and let's see how it look like.
Jamie got one of them cool front wallets, a Ridge wallet, which I have too. They're the best.
Now, if you haven't actually purchased one yet, maybe it's because of the price.
Well, it's like with every quality product. You get what you pay for.
You might be saying to yourself, why not just buy one of the $20 knockoffs from Amazon?
Ridge invented this design with premium materials that will last you quite literally a lifetime.
It's the best wallet you can buy, but you don't just have to take my word for it. There are over 100,000 5-star reviews.
You're still not sure? Ridge gives you a 99-day risk-free trial. If you don't like it, take it back.
So what the heck are you waiting for? Go try yours at ridge.com.
Now this type of ad is called a testimonial mashup, and it works the best right now on Facebook ads when it comes to video ads, and I highly suggest you to give it a try. Like you can see how they have different customers, how they're talking about the benefits that they're experiencing with the wallet, and on the end of the video you can see how they're communicating their offer. You have like free returns, you have like free shipping, you have this and that, and this is super efficient ad, and I'm sure that this one is crushing it so hard. And when you have Joe Rogan, that can really help you a lot with increasing the performance of that ad, right? So that's already a lot. So this is very good ad. Then the next one that we have here is this is called the founder's ad. It also works very well where you see the founder of the brand, how he talks, how he started his brand, why he has started it, and all these things. So it kind of incorporates the storytelling into the ad, and storytelling generally helps a lot with selling because it's the thing that persuades people to buy from you. So let's go and see how it looked like.
Your wallet sucks. That's why we invented the Ridge wallet.
Hey, I'm Daniel. I was tired of this bulky wallet.
That's why I invented the Ridge wallet.
Most wallets are falling apart, stuffed to the max, and barely fit in your back pocket. So we set out to create something better. Ridge is built to last a lifetime. The wallet blocks RFID. They come in over 50 styles and colors and can hold 1 to 15 cards in cash,
while remaining as slim as possible.
And with innovations like AirTag accessories, you can stay connected and know where your wallet is at all times.
It's made from high quality materials and is the perfect balance of modern style, premium materials, and durability.
You can try the Ridge today and return it within 99 days. No questions asked. That's our guarantee. Find yours at ridge.com.
And you can see that pattern, how they're doing the ad and all these things. And on the end of each ad, they just mention their offer. That's when they want to incentivize you to buy from them. And that's very good. That's what they do it very well. So this one is, again, very good. You can see on the end, you have get yours now, visit ridge.com. And you can see the copy of this ad, just like very short. You have these checkpoints and stuff, and that's it. Like super, super cool ad. We have the social proof here just below the headline. So yeah, let's go with the third one.
Guys, it's time to retire this shit.
Look, you're not dumb. You want a wallet that you can buy once and will last over 10 years. Ridge invented this design with premium materials that will last quite literally a lifetime. They fit all your cards and cash in between these RFID block plates, and with over 5 million wallets sold and 100,000 5-star reviews, Ridge made sure there's a wallet for everyone. And if you're still not sure, it comes with a 99-day risk-free trial. So if you don't love it, send it back. With a lifetime warranty, free shipping, and free returns, it's time to make the switch. Find yours at ridge.com.
So I have selected this ad because I wanted to show you the sneaky way they use to try to hook people and stuff. You can see how this ad starts. Just take a look.
Guys, it's time to retire this shit.
Look.
So it's like a second, but people just like scroll stop and they see this blonde girl and see what she's doing. So for that reason, it's like this is one another thing that you can do, like to hook your audience. You can think of a creative way to do it, like, but you have to be very careful with that because you can just hook a lot of people that are not potential customers of yours. So your pixel really needs to be seasoned in order for you to perform this kind of thing and you don't get a wrong prospect and stuff. But yeah, it's definitely a sneaky way to hook their customers, right? So that's the third ad that we have here. And I just wanted to point out all their static ads that they have here. You can see the most of the time they're just trying to get that urgency in there. These wallet prices won't last forever and stuff. It looks very congruent. They have started these ads a day ago, so it's most probably they're doing some sale and stuff. So yeah, you can very good job when it comes to ads. These are the ads I wanted to show you, and you can use them for inspiration of your ads when you're creating your creatives. And ads are very important things when it comes to Facebook ads. So the last thing we have here is their emails, and I just wanted to show you how simple their emails is, how simple copy is. That's how you should do your emails. You don't want to overwhelm and bother your customers with super long copy and stuff. I haven't bought the wallet from them, and there's a good chance that they're sending me these kind of social proof ads because I might appear like a person who's on the fence to buy from them. And you can see like over $100,000 5-star reviews. Then we have social proof here. Try it today. They don't go for the shop now. When you click on it, it goes to the collection and stuff. So they're going for the soft CTA here. It could be because they're targeting me as I'm on the fence to buy. I'm in that segment of their Klaviyo account. And once again, you can see they have like the headline, which is super simple, easy to read. Then they have the image, a little bit of the sub headline, then there's a CTA, and that's it. Then you have the social proof. So this is the second email I have prepared for you, and this is the abandoned checkout or abandoned cart email. I'm not sure. And the thing is that you can see, again, they have last chance, take 10% off new Ridge wallets. Then you have an image of the wallet, complete your carry. And then below we have the coupon code, which I will not reveal because it would be maybe unfair to them. So anyway, that's what I wanted to show you, how simple their email look like. Just a headline, image, button above the fold, which is super important. You always want your button to have above the fold, just like your CTA on your product page, because there are many people who won't scroll past this point. And if you don't have a button above the fold, a lot of them will miss that button and therefore just not buy from you. So yeah, so that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And if you want to start working with me, with my agency, check the link down below. Like and subscribe if you'd like more content like this, so you can get more tips and tutorials to grow your e-commerce brand. So that's it for this one. See you in the next one.